guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode, okay, will be something that I've been thinking of doing for a long while, okay, which is the Chrome Delete. Right, as you know, okay, my F10 actually comes with, chrome window trims. Right, so for today, okay, we're going to wrap it. Alright, so before I start this episode, okay, if you haven't done so, please remember to like and subscribe, okay, we have more episodes coming up. Alright, so without further ado, let's go! So guys, okay, that was the end of the DIY. Okay, so it is relatively easy and the whole process took us about 2 hours. Okay, because it's our first time doing, and the vinyl actually, you know, I tried to cut it to the shape of the window trim. Okay, but actually, right, you can actually, you know, stretch it. Yeah, because I thought it might not stretch that well. Alright, so guys, I hope you like this episode. Okay, I know I should have done it in black, okay, but the carbon fiber trim is, you know, it looks nice to me. Alright, so I hope you guys like this episode. Please remember to like and subscribe, okay, and there'll be more DIYs coming up. Okay, so guys, okay, stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.